Hey everyone, good morning. So today I have handpicked three beautiful saris for you guys. Now, as you can see, the three saris are of a similar variety. It's just the color combinations are different. Now, the reason why I chose this sari is because these are very cute and beautiful for your casual wear, as well as if you would like to spot them for a small party, and also perfect to gift your loved ones. And because the color combinations are such, and the printing and the styling is also very beautiful and in trend. Now, as you can see, these hakoba designs, or the so-called shifli designs, are particularly in trend nowadays. You can see a lot of dresses, a lot of skirts, a lot of tops in all this hakoba styling. So here we have these saris also in this shifli or the hakoba style of designing. So now the three saris are in kota. The main fabric here is kota. It's a kota drape. Now this one is in a beautiful combination of light beige or a creamy beige to a very earthy, very chocolatey color of brown. So the body of the sari is in this beautiful light creamy beige, which has this self design on it, which is not very obvious. It has this beautiful self design, and the border of the sari is in this beautiful hakoba design, and in this shade. So as you can see, there is this self design, also this hakoba design running throughout the border of the sari. There is also this beautiful piping given for the borders. Now both the sides of the sari has this similar border. Now what I'm going to show you is this palla of the sari, which is also very pretty. It is completely in this hakoba design. The whole palla is in hakoba style, and it also has this beautiful self design. So I'm just going to take one layer out and show you. So this is how it is. So it's this beautiful styling of hakoba. It also has these self designs and this beautiful shade of brown. So that's the entire palla in this color, and the blouse is also given in the same tone of brown with a completely shifly or a hakoba styling given, and the borders of the blouse has the self design, which you can use for the sleeves. And also you have this plain portion if at all you want to stitch a boat neck, and you want to use this portion, or if you want to have a pleated sleeve, so for any purpose you can use that portion, but the entire blouse is in this beautiful brown. So this is your first combination in this beautiful creamy beige and a beautiful earthy brown, a very subtle but very classy combination. Now the next one is exactly the same, it's just the color difference, which is in a maroon and the beige combination. Now what you see here is the palla of the sari, same as that of the previous one. Now the body is in this, this is more of a beige color. In the video it looks more of a lighter tone. It's more of a beautiful beige color now, and the border is in this maroon shade. So that's this is the border of the sari. As you can see, it has the self design, it has the piping, so the entire borders on both sides has this. The body of the drape has this self design on it. As you can see, there is the self design, and the palla of the sari is again the same as the previous one. It's completely having this hakoba work and the self design. So that's the palla of the sari, and the blouse again is in this beautiful maroon color, completely hakoba, and it also has this portion for the sleeves. There is piping given, there is sleeves, and there is this portion also. If you want to design it as per your choice, you can use it. So the blouse is also completely in hakoba. So here's this yet another beautiful combination of this particular style of hakoba and kota. So that's in beige and a maroon, and the final one is in this beautiful gray and pink combination. Again, this what you see is the palla area. The body is in gray. The other two saris had a beige body and a contrast color border. Now this one has this beautiful gray. It's a light gray with self design and a zigzag kind on the body, and your contrast border is this beautiful pink. It's a beautiful peachy pink with hakoba, design and also printing, and also it has this lovely piping also given. A very very classy and a beautiful drape with a lovely combination. Now I'm just going to turn the drape to show you the palla. The entire palla is in this beautiful pink with a complete hakuba shade. It's very very beautiful. And this one is also in a lovely this is the blouse piece with the complete hakuba worked with. This is the printed sleeves and also piping given. So a very very beautiful styling given for this particular drape. Really love these kota drapes with these shivli or the hakuba styling given. And the blouse is also a highlight because it has a complete hakuba worked blouse. A perfect choice for your casual wear, for a gift, or even for a party wear. So here you go guys, I'll be posting the picture separately. You can take a look and then get back to me.